So a question I get pretty often is, how can you record the sound of the people you're riding with when you're using a headset while out riding together and get it onto your action camera like the GoPro I'm using right now? Sena, our friends at Sena, who sponsored this video by sending me all the stuff to try, came out with this nifty little gadget called the Meshport Red. And what that does is it connects to the mesh network of the headsets and then connects via Bluetooth to your GoPro. So we're here with the GoPro Hero 12. Grace is here. The weather is garbage, and we're gonna ride some trails and see if we can get some sound in my helmet onto this camera. And it's nice today because I don't have to have a media mod on the Hero 12, which is good because it's really raining a lot. So we're gonna get wet and ride, and hopefully there's sound right now. So before we jump into the rainy day riding, I'm going to answer the question I know is going to pop up in the comments the most. How do you connect the Meshport Red to your GoPro? It's a little bit involved at first because you got to download a couple different apps, but once you have it set up, it just works. At least it did that day. I just turned it on and it worked. So you got to take the Meshport Red. Here it is. And you need the Meshport app on your phone. Here it is, Meshport app. You just put the Meshport Red into whatever channel it is you're looking for on your mesh network. So we just use channel 1. That's the easiest. This will join channel 1. You connect it to your GoPro via Bluetooth, and the GoPro Hero 12s will do that. And it's simultaneously connected to your headsets and your GoPro, and it'll record all your audio right here onto the GoPro. You know it's connected when you hear the beeps from your GoPro in your headset instead of coming from the camera. You can hear how it sounded the whole day. Kind of impressed with this thing, especially in the bad weather we did. Worked out pretty well. Back to the riding video. Okay, well, that voice you hear is the Grace.
It's the Grace. Can you still hear me?
Oh yeah, nice and loud. Very good. So she's on her 250X. That starts sometimes, but only when I kick it.
Usually it's only when Ben jump starts it for me.
Yeah.
Apparently my bike has a soft spot for you.
It does. The soft spot is the Kickstarter. Get ready to freaking rumble. Also rocking the backcountry hippo hands, the new version that are much improved. They have the mounting system on the inside. They eliminated my least favorite part of the old model, so pretty happy about that.
I'm ready to roll.
And or rock?
I rock and I roll.
All right.
That's how I rock and roll.
Let's see where we end up. I'll take you to the easy fun trails.
That sounds good. Not sure I can do much more than that anyway.
This is all just logged like this year, so they've ruined some of my favorite spots. Closed half the trails up here and destroyed the road, so gotta love the old lobby companies. That's weird. I'm gonna guess they're not working today. Yeah, we're gonna go the other way. I know it. There's another way around as long as it's not blocked off. Woo! We're celebrating. We are cursed today.
Cut off again, huh?
It's a big fucking tree.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so much for public land. Okay, well, I guess we'll go down around the other way.
Yeah.
So much for my...
Like, there's like absolutely no way around.
No, we'd have to lift bikes over. I feel like we're not going to do that.
Nope.
Okay, we're taking a left here. So this is motorcycle only. No side-by-sides, no ATVs, no bull. Grace's first muddy forest single track.
There we go.
Go Gadget Grace.
It's very pretty. I like that. It's very rainforesty. Then again, we are in a rainforest.
Yeah, that's because it literally is.
Uh-huh. Oh, steer, Grace.
You got it, you got it, you got it. Whoa, big rut, big rut.
Oh.
Yeah, take the right.
Got it.
Nailed it.
Woohoo!
Oh man, they've cleaned this up. This is much nicer than last time I was here.
Is it?
Yeah.
How often do they do trail maintenance out here?
Never. I almost never see it. I'm sure it's riders just coming out here with saws and cleaning it up because there's no like official. Take the left. Left.
Left? Got it.
Yeah, too bad.
Oh.
Watch out, there's some mud. It's slippy. I don't know if I mentioned it. Well, you found the edge of the trail. That was it. That was the whole thing. Do you want to do it the other direction?
That was it?
Well, that was...
That's fun.
Or it's right here.
Alright.
Found it. Okay, so trail 15. Easy green, pretty flat, a little bit of mud, but nothing crazy. Grace is still getting her feet under her, and she doesn't ride muddy trails like ever, so
Nope.
it's basically baptism by fire.
Easy peasy.
You got this, bro. Yeah, just remember, mud is slidey. Oh, it's muddy right here. Ooh. This is way muddier than last time I was here. It's not that different from sand, really, except once you start sliding, you don't stop. There's more mud and less water on the trail than last time I was here. Holy f***, it's all muddy. Okay, this I was not expecting. You're crushing it, dude. Are you waddling it? No shame, no shame. Okay, I'm gonna take you over to the other trail. This one is, we'll warm up on the other one.
Oh no, I'm already getting pretty warm right now.
Oh, well shit, if you feel like continuing on, we can go back up this one. It's up to you.
Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Well, that's sort of how you learn.
I always say, how do you learn to ride mud or sand? By riding mud or sand.
You'll have your mud wings before you know it.
Hell yeah, I will.
Mud flaps, really, not mud wings.
Mud flaps.
You better stop having so much fun. You're getting me very muddy.
I know, I'm excited.
Yeah, I love it.
I like getting muddy. You're coaching. I like being coached. I'm very coachable.
This is where I learned to ride off-road, on literally here on these trails. And it's no wonder I've built up a bunch of bad habits.
This is so awesome. This is so fun. Woo! Also, still getting decapitated.
I don't recommend it.
Great being calm.
I'm not here to tell you what to do, how to live your life, but getting decapitated is generally regarded as a bad thing.
Oh, so nice having the setness to do this when you're doing any kind of filming or group riding.
Yeah.
You can actually keep track of where people are versus constantly be trying to catch up to each other and all that other shit that gets super annoying over time.
Right.
I forgot which gear I was in.
Oh yeah, should have one of those.
There we go.
Yes, that's something.
Alright, now we're good.
Damn, this internet is fun. It's so like just dumb, small, and easy to put where I want it. It's so much easier. Last time I was on these trails, I was on the Transalp, so this is a marked difference.
Oh, this is so fun.
Yeah. And the background is beautiful because it's so foliagey, colory.
Puddles! I love puddles! Puddle! Puddle!
Sound directly into my brain.
Sorry. I like puddles.
Are you sure? I have no idea. Yeah, get it, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a hell of a puddle. Hell of a puddle.
It's a puddle, that's all I care about.
Okay.
Alright, let me just turn around and do it one more time.
Okay. Oh, come on, bitch. Damn it. Ah, I got downhill. I'm gonna have to get off. Oh, there's people coming. Those people. It's the people we saw before. Yep. You found them, yeah.
We need to go past, let's go! Oh my god, they're having so much fun. This is great.
Good.
It's like us. Well, they're like me. You're way more professional.
We're making memories. All right.
Perfect. Alright, nice. Woo! It's almost wiped out. Nice.
Don't do that. Want to shoot me coming up the exit to this trail?
Ooh, yeah.
Damn it, I should have spun the tire. It would have looked cooler.
You still look cool.
Oh, yeah.
You always look cool.
As cool as I can look, which is, you know what? I'm not trying to look cool. I'm trying to look Benny. I'm trying to look dorky.
Yeah, you're kind of dark and red. This is true.
Ta-da, grazie.
Thank you. Woohoo! Oh, I love puddles.
Oh, no kidding.
Puddles in mud.
Muddles and pud.
Every girl's dream.
Well, my hands are nice and warm and dry, I'll tell you that.
I know. I'm just not cold anymore. It's so nice. All right, sir. Whenever you're ready.
I was born ready.
Thank you for being a great tour guide and coach today. Thank you, Sena, as well, for keeping us in communication the entire time.